Hi guys, so I'll be guiding you on how to add a GIF into your Shopify product description. Let's say we would like to add a GIF over here in our product description. Firstly, we will need to create a GIF by using Giphy or any other third-party app out there. For the sake of this video, I've created a GIF beforehand and I've also uploaded it by using Giphy. Once you have uploaded your GIF, you will have the copy link over here. Click on it and copy the GIF link. Once you have copied it, go to your product description and select where would you like to add it. Click Insert Image and select on URL. And we'll paste the URL that we have copied over here. Voila! You can see that your GIF has been added successfully into your Shopify store. So let's have a look at how this looks like. Once we saved it, let's refresh this. There you go. A simple step on adding a GIF into your product description. Thank you guys.